Here it is, guys and girls. Time to reveal for how much coins that I have saved. Guys, do you think I beat my record last week, which is 3,700? And how about the other week, 3,850? Is it 3,700 last week? I forgot. Anyway, it's almost there. Guys, you will never believe. It's a whopping of 3,800 and... Are you sure? Almost there, guys and girls. 3,805 pesos. 45 pesos is the difference to make it 3,850 for me to beat the record. Anyway, guys and girls, there's another chance next week. Who knows? Probably we can reach the 4,000, okay? Not bad. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings.